Hello, today I'm going to introduce you the new invention. As you can see, that's a 50 light up. It's only powered by 3.46 volt. Okay, that's the input, and as you can see, its output out 15.67. So the input's only 3.5 volt, and the output is around 15 and a half, which is more than 400%. All right. So with that 400%, say you take a battery pack, right, 4 volt, you power this light, and it's coming out 15 and a half volt, which is 4 times. So you can actually charge the original battery that power this light, and you can have 3 extra batteries charged at the same time. So you got total 4. And those charged for 3 battery that extra, then you can use for all the source or connect to an inverter, so you can convert to AC. So each light bulb here is a 3 watts, but this is just a prototype. So later on, we can produce 100 watts, more powerful. So the more powerful you have, the more it generates electricity. This is the main advantage of this. The more you use, the more power it can generate. It's kind of like the opposite of what we study in school, okay? And this is we call the open system. Okay, what's the difference with the current system that we are using this closing? Because when you are using a closed system, say a battery with a light and connect the wire, yeah, you can get more out of whatever you need. But imagine though, let's say you have wind power, the river, the sun. You can add that additional to the existing battery for the light. Then you have more. So the traditional school that we learn, that set is for the closed system, okay? And those formula do not apply to open system. Remember that. So once you got more powerful light system like this unique, then the increase more power, then you can power your home light. You can add this unit to phone, cellular phone, laptop, anything you want to power it. And you can place it anywhere. And it can produce 24/7. But if you need more power, you always can use the nature, like say solar, wind, if you want more. So it's unlimited. And this technology can apply to electric car. You can charge the car while it's moving. Electric airplane, electric boat. So when it's parked, it generates. When it's moving, it still generates. So opportunity is infinity. So if you want a comment below your contact, then we will contact you so you can have an exclusive right to your country, your region, and together we can bring this technology to the world with no pollution. Create job. You have a chance to make a lot of money, and there will be no more, suffering because of lack of energy. And other devices will help you to get internet. So just leave your contact in the comment. Email, whatever, phone, we will contact you if you're interested in. And our job is just to build this special light bulb, okay, that generate electricity. And all you have to do is put into any light system that fits your application, okay? So you can use all this light your power light, all your, backyard, everything. Because the more you use, the more generate, electricity. Then any extra electricity, if you want, you can sell it back to the grid. And this is portable too. So you can place this technology to anywhere, like in the island, which is very expensive to have a transmission line. Okay? So this is the ultimate technology in 2021. Nothing better than this. It's called decentralized energy. You own your own. You don't need the grid. You can live anywhere. Thank you. Bye-bye.